Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. So as the title says, I got the shaft when I bought this truck, and I specifically asked the sales guy after taking it for a test drive. I said, it vibrates a little bit. I hope it's not a drive shaft issue. And he swore up and down, oh no, God no, it's just because it has snow tires on it. That's why it drives a little rough. Well, if you haven't seen the video prior to this, I'll put a link up here somewhere. Brought it to the repair shop. They were gonna change U-joints and that kind of thing for me. Found out it's like a really weird drive shaft, and it's gonna cost $700 plus to have it rebuilt. Unable to find a replacement of the same kind, I was a little discouraged. So I called around to a few junkyards in the area, and what I've come up with is I'm just going to change the entire drive shaft and yoke on the rear end over to a standard two-piece drive shaft setup that would have been on any other S-10, same as what's on the green one. I called the junkyard, they had one, and they pulled it. It only cost me $100 for the yoke, the shaft, and to have it removed. So that's the route we're going, and right now I am driving this rumbly thing to the junkyard to go pick that up, and we will continue when we get there. So I'm at Roner's junkyard, and this is a car guy's heaven. You can find so many things here, things you didn't even know you were looking for, you'll find. So let's go get that drive shaft. I do wish I had a little more time to just kind of wander around and check out the S-10 and Blazer section, but that might be a whole nother video, because that's going to take more than a couple hours. Okay, so this is what we came for. Looks pretty good to me. hoping, should probably just clean that up a little bit, but I do have a new one of those. This is the yoke I need with the bolt. We do have new U-joints for all 3 pieces, so I think that's going to work out. We got ourselves a drive shaft. Now the fun part of actually switching them out comes. I'm probably going to be doing that in a day or 2 or 3, depending. I'm going to probably have to throw it on the pit at work and see if I can have one of the guys there help me. I've never dealt with changing yokes on a rear end or anything, and I just want to do it right. So I'm going to have a little help with that, or at least have somebody kind of there, kind of show me what's going on. And like I said, we are going to be changing all the U-joints and that carrier bearing and all that. And I do think they gave me an extra chunk of shaft that I don't need necessarily, so that might save us a U-joint. I'm not sure, but it looked like it's the whole complete setup from the trans back to the rear end, and if I don't need to replace all of it, I probably won't, but maybe with this new setup I should just use the entire thing, and then that way I know what we have. So that'll be a fun little project. Look forward to that video coming out shortly. That's going to do it for today. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.